In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link for public access using Microsoft Forms. This is a useful skill if you want to collect responses from a broad audience without any hassle. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get ourselves to the Microsoft Forms platform. So go ahead and open your web browser and search for Microsoft Forms. Once you're there, you'll find that signing in is a prerequisite to accessing your forms. You can use your Microsoft account credentials, which you probably set up already. If not, it's an easy process, and you'll find the prompts straightforward. Now, let's navigate to your form within Microsoft Forms. If you've been working on it recently, it should be one of the first ones you see. Once you're looking at your form, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Collect Responses button. Click on it. This button is essentially the gatekeeper to sharing your form with others. When you click Collect Responses, you'll see a setting that allows you to adjust who can fill out your form. Since we're focusing on sharing the form publicly, you'll want to select settings that enable broader access. This means you should opt for either anyone can respond or anyone with the link. These options will allow people without a Microsoft account or those outside your organization to fill out the form. Sometimes, the default settings might not align with this, so you may need to click on Link Settings to change it. It's just a quick drop-down menu and nothing too complicated. Once you've set the audience correctly, you're ready to actually get that shareable link. Simply click the Copy button next to the link. Doing this copies the link directly to your clipboard, which means it's ready to paste wherever you need it. This step is crucial because without it, you wouldn't have an easy way to distribute the form. Now, with the link copied, think about where you want to paste it. You can share it in a chat if it's immediate communication, or perhaps in an email if you're reaching out to a larger group. If you're participating in an online discussion or want it to have a prominent position, pasting it into a document or onto a social media platform can be effective strategies. The possibilities are vast, and it really depends on your target audience and how they'd best receive this form. And there you have it. You've successfully opened your form for public responses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been straightforward and helpful. Be sure to check back for more tutorials and tips on using Microsoft tools to enhance your productivity. Happy form sharing.